Hi everyone, welcome back to the 3458A repair. Now, after publishing part 3 of the repair, I realised I'd missed out a segment, probably a rather important segment, regarding why I thought that the U180 was definitely faulty. It wasn't just about the VREF problems that I was having, as I demonstrated in the part 3 videos. There is actually another major reason. So let's go over to the computer and I'll try to explain. So what I did was, over a period of about 10 days, I managed to assess the U180 health. And that is in terms of drift. It's a well-known problem with the 3458As. A bad U180 can drift horrendously over time. And that's because the resistors inside the U180 drift in value. And one of the most useful diagnostic tools for assessing the health of a 3458A's U180 hybrid is the service command CAL72. Now, the absolute value itself that is generated is not important. What matters is how stable the value is over time. And what you can do over a period of time is take a snapshot CAL72 reading, say once a day, and you will be able to measure the drift that your U180 will have. A typical U180 exhibits very little long-term change in its CAL72 value, often drifting by only a few parts per million over many months or even years. Conversely, a deteriorating U180 may show increasing drift, particularly with temperature or age. And by periodically recording the CAL72 together with the instrument's internal temperature, it's possible to build up a long-term picture of the U180's stability. And plotting these values over weeks, months or years provides a simple and effective method of monitoring the condition of the ADC hybrid. So here we are in front of WinGPIB, and I used this obviously to connect via GPIB to the 3458A, and I managed to take a snapshot CAL72 reading every day and record it. So if we go across to the 3458A drift monitor tab, let me go first to 3458A profile number 2. This is my original 3458A, which didn't show any drift, or no serious drift anyway. And you can see I recorded the CAL72 readings here over a period of many years. And in fact, I stopped doing it at day 2337. And if you scroll along to here, the drift ppm reference to day 1, it only drifted by 3.78 ppms across 2,337 days. And of course you can scroll back and see the ppm readings throughout that journey in time. Now of course I did the same with this 3458A, which is profile number 1, and I only logged it for 9 days in fact, and you can see that the drift ppm reference to day 1 was already 67, nearly 68 ppms in 9 days. And again, looking at profile 2, my original 3458A, it wasn't even 4 ppms over 2,300 days. So this profile here demonstrates very, very clearly that U180 is very, very drifty and very, very faulty.